Hey GlamFam, welcome back to the channel, besties. So it's the giving season and a lot of us try to create little gifts of our own. Now, why don't you spend all the money on the gifts instead of the things to make the gift look beautiful? So today we're going to show you a quick, easy, eco-friendly way that you can use paper to create your own gift basket fillers, gift box fillers, gift bag fillers. And that way you don't have to go out and buy it. You can spend the money on the gift instead. So for this project, you are going to need a shredder. You are going to need paper. So since we're in the Christmas season, we're going to be using red, white, and green. And then in order to have them already mixed in, you are going to alternate your colors and you're simply going to put it through your machine and then you're going to watch it go. So this is what it is looking like. How beautiful is that? And we're gonna show you guys how you can use them quickly in a little gift bag. Remember I told you we were going to the mall. In our last video we mentioned that we'd be going to the mall to replace perfumes that were done or just the ones that were low. My husband bought me 2 new ones, replaced one, and I got another one. So I'm gonna wrap these up quickly and show you guys what that would look like. Also have this cute little box that I got from a sister at church that I bought little lotion drops from, and I'm going to gift that to Miss Lay. And so we're going to put that in here and we have our fillers so we don't have to buy any. So the drops are in here. They are so good. They are all natural, and all she left to do is simply put one of these beady things in our hands and rub them. If your skin is dry, this is something that would be great for you. Well, question for you, where do you get your fillers? And if you do have a shredder, would this be something you would consider? Would this be something you would try? And then just use the rest of the money on the actual gift. Thank you for sticking with us on this Vlogmas journey. I know it's a lot, but we appreciate you coming back to watch all the videos.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.